What do I start with? What if I start with the big ones? Very abstract. Ang cute ng signature board. Okay. This one's from Sako. Ang laki ng bigay ni Sako. So cute. And then Pascal with a flower. I received 2. The other one was from Mary. Ang cute! Ano ba? Nakainis. Ay, hindi ko mo. Aray ng pag-wrap. Oh, it's from Peri Pera. That's so cute. Mapusan. Bakit naman ginanyan? So cute. Love it. I love them. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Thank you, Lola. Thank you, Lola. Oh my god, I love Loopy. There. I have Pocky. Kit Kat. I don't know what brand this is. I don't know what this is. I can't read Japanese. Oh! So cute. This one first. From Ninong Christian, Tita Abby, and Caitlin. I got Popmart. 2. Dalawa. 3. 4. 5. I should open one. I can't help myself eh. Oh! So cute. Next gift. This is from, Reyes family. We Bear Bears. Tumblr. Thank you! This is from Angel. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I have so much plushies now. It's pink. Oh. Wait, ang ganda ng brush. Whoa. It's from Gab. Oh my god, ang cute! This one's from Gab. Again. Yung pinost ko sa story ko. That's so pretty. This is from... kay Luke to. Wait, it's 2. It's from Tala. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. That's so pretty. This one. This is from Shannon. Oh my god, may letter! Ang cute no! That's so cute. Wait, let me read it first. May your life be filled with wonderful memories and long-lasting friendships, Nina. Happy birthday again. I'm gonna cry. But I won't. Kasi nagpa-vlog ako eh. Shannon is so sweet. May curler! Oh! What? That's so cool. That's insane. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she knows me! These are my colors. Oh wait, magkakasama. This is from Marion. Let's open. What? Wait, this is so pretty. That's so nice, I like it, Oh yeah. Yeah, that shade is me. Oh, this is from Sophie. I remember her asking me what's my favorite scent, so I'm guessing this is perfume. It is! Ang ganda ng packaging, Ay, ang ganda. Ang cute. Oh my god. This is from Lucky Beauty. That smells so good. I love scents like this. This is so nice. Thank you so much. Okay, next. This is from... Oh, this is from Baron. Wait, it's blush. It's cheek tint. From where? Oh, it's from Sunny's Face. Oh. That's so nice. What's this? Oh, it's from Sunny's Den. Yes! Keep giving me makeup brushes. Oh. Wait, dual end. Oh, that's soft. That's so pretty. This is from Erica. Compact mirror with lights! Naka-individually wrapped pa talaga tong isa, tas may ribbon. That's so cute. That's so pretty. It's from Lindsay. What's this, girl? May amoy. Scented candle. Wild Meadow. It's from H&M. Ang ganda ng lalagyan. That smells so nice. They know me so well with scents, ha? Oh, this is from Annika. Oh, that's so pretty. So cute. It's from Tita Jeng. It's a charm. Oh wait, it's a bracelet. It's so pretty. From BLK. Kay Lola. Lola Sima. Skin tint? Oh. Oh. Ang dami talaga. Kuya Aaron. That's so cute. That's from Alyssa. Ang cute naman ng packaging. Oh, it's bronzer. Wait, that's my shade. And then there's mascara. That's so nice. And then Benetint. Can't wait to try this. This one is BLK. Pero walang nakasulat kung kanino galing. Oh no. Blush palette. And what is this? Gloss? Lip gloss. This is from... Oh, this is from Fiona. Ba't ang dami? Ano to? Oh my god! It's from Disney? That's so cute! So pretty. Oh my days. Do I open it now? Yes. I'm so excited. I love blind boxes. Tapos lamp! What the freak? Eh? Ala, ang cute! Gonna look like that. That's so cute. I love you, Fiona. This is from Dan Dan. It's from Lucky Beauty. Lip sweetener. Liquid pigment. I've heard of that. They said it's good. I'm excited. Wait, ang ganda. Oh, that smells so nice. Thank you, Dan. Oh, it's from Thai. Oh my gosh. It's my melody. Again. Thank you, Thai. Love that so much. This one's from Kyle. What the flip? That's so funny. That's so funny. Ang cute naman ng wrapping. That's so pretty. Let's open from Leanne. Welcome, baby. It's jewelry. Wait, that's so pretty. one's from Jai. Starbucks gift card. Okay, next. This one's from Ali. Marie! Sunny Angels. Oh, it's the cake. Wait. May note. From KKV. What's this? There's a note. Wait, di ko nabasa. Happy 18th birthday, Nina. I wish. It's a mug. Oh my god, it's pink. Alang cute. Next is from Senya. She got the book I wanted. Aww. You can wind down from time to time. Thank you, Senya. I love you. This is from Hannah. Ang cute ng paper bag ni Hannah. They're mugs. They're mugs again. Stop. That's so pretty. Stop. Stop. That's so cute. Ang laki ng ribbon. Oh my god. That's so pretty. Next. This is from Jayron. It's a jewelry box. In my favorite shade of red. Oh my god. It's a necklace. Oh, that's so pretty. From Penny Pairs. It's a flower necklace. That's so nice. I love. Last 3 gifts. Let's start with this one. Since I know what this is. Makeup brush set. Ang cute naman ng ribbon. Tita May. Oh, it's from Sephora. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. Makeup brushes. Ang ganda. I love makeup brushes, guys. This one, bakit walang name? Kanino galing to? Oh my days. Ang cute! May isa pa! That's insane, guys. Oh, wait. Kanino galing ba to? Oh, it's from Saku! Oh my gosh! Ang dami namang regalo! Is this a photo card? It's so much! Oh. I'm not gonna go insane over a man. No freaking way. From Korea, who's literally, ilang years older than me. It's so much! Oh my... Are these pajamas? Oh my god. Okay, last gift. Tama ba? From Lola Ami. More makeup. Yeah. Uy, ang ganda na shade. Oh, powder foundation. That's so pretty. Wait, ang ganda. Oh. That's my shade. Thank you. Oh my gosh, that's all my gifts. Ang dami.